The University of Calgary Libraries and Cultural Resources presents Skills for Systematic Reviews. Endnote, creating groups and group sets. This video will show you how to create groups and group sets in Endnote. We are going to create groups and group sets in order to organize our search results by database, which will make the process of identifying and removing internal and external duplicates easier. You will need to create a group for each database that you will be using for your systematic review. The first step, however, is to create a group set to hold all of these database groups. To do this, you select Groups from the top menu up here, scroll down, and select Create Group Set. You'll see your new group set appear, and you can name your group set whatever you'd like. For me, databases makes sense, so you type in your name, hit Enter, and we've created our group set. Now that we have a group set, we will create a group for each database that we searched for our systematic review. We can do this two ways. The first way is to right-click on our group set databases and select Create Group, or we can make sure that we've selected our group set databases, go back up to the top menu here, select Groups, and select Create Group here. You'll notice that there's also an option to select Create Smart Group or select Create from Groups. However, for our purposes, we're just going to keep it simple and select Create Group. No matter which option you choose, your new group should appear like this, and we are ready to create a group name. We are not simply going to put the database name as the group name, however. Endnote lists groups in alphabetical order, so it's best practice to prefix each database name with a letter so that our database groups are displayed in the order of importance that we assign to our databases. For example, I'm going to name Medline's group A-Medline and hit Enter, and I've created the group. And this is so that Medline always appears at the top of the list. And then if I want to add the database CINAHL as my second group, I'll right-click on databases again, select Create Group, and type in B-CINAHL and hit Enter. If we didn't prefix the database's names with letters, CINAHL would be displayed before Medline, so this is our way of imposing our own order on the database group. So now you would just continue creating a group for each database that you searched. When you're done this, you will also need to make a group for your duplicates. You do not want to delete your duplicates right away in case you made a mistake. So if you store your duplicates in another folder, you can still retrieve them if you need to. So we're going to create a group in the same way, Create Group, but this time we're going to call it Z-duplicates. And we prefix it with Z so that it's always at the bottom of our database list. If you need to make any changes to your group's names or delete a group, just right-click on the group that will be affected and select either Rename Group or Delete Group. Once you have made a group for all of your databases, you are ready to begin importing your search results. It was adapted with permission from Basic Training in Systematic Reviews and Meta-Analyses, Managing Results, from the Research Medical Library at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, and funded by the University of Calgary Teaching and Learning Grant. For more information about systematic reviews, please see the University of Calgary LibGuide.